MailerLite. MailerLite is an amazing alternative to MailChimp. This relatively new Lithuanian email marketing business takes pleasure in its modern and slick appearance, and it shows. They also have good language options and a reasonable free forever plan. MailerLite particularly shines in this area if you're searching for outstanding email and landing page designs, templates not available on free plan. The free plan includes 1,000 subscribers and 12,000 emails, which is far more liberal than MailChimp's freemium plan. It also has a variety of capabilities, including a landing page editor that we believe is superior than MailChimp's. MailerLite's premium plans are also substantially less expensive, making them an excellent solution for small firms with limited marketing resources. They provide 5 languages if you want to work in your native speech. They also have an iOS app as well as a website builder. It's an excellent free MailChimp competitor. Sendinblue. Those looking for a MailChimp alternative might look into Sendinblue. Sendinblue, a relatively new participant on the email newsletter landscape, is a Paris-based firm that has opted to make waves by offering some of the most affordable options accessible. They're also remarkably strong at marketing automation workflows and list management, as well as sending transactional emails and SMS marketing. Sendinblue is less expensive than MailChimp. Their automation workflow system is slightly more sophisticated, allowing you to A/B test a variety of components. Customers in the European Union will like the fact that their servers are based in France. You can also send SMS for a very low cost. In order to deliver SMS, MailChimp wants you to create an online store with them. Sendinblue has continuously fared well in our biannual email deliverability tests. Omnisend. Omnisend is another excellent MailChimp substitute. This is an email and SMS platform with a strong e-commerce focus, which is evident in its conversion-focused automation and segmentation capabilities. While MailChimp does a good job with e-commerce, some ingenious small features give Omnisend the edge here. Omnisend works extremely nicely with Shopify. It is also compatible with the e-commerce systems BigCommerce, WooCommerce, Volution, PrestaShop, and Magento. Omnisend, like MailChimp, provides a slew of automations for online retailers, including browse abandonment and cart recovery. These are editable through visual workflows. However, it goes a step further by including innovative features such as Wheel of Fortune sign-up bonuses, interactive gift boxes, automated product recommendations, and even live-view website tracking, all of which are designed to increase conversions. You can also divide your email lists depending on highly precise data, such as clients who bought a specific product or used a promotional code. Another advantage of Omnisend is that it provides some pretty current landing page layouts, as well as free SMS marketing. GetResponse. GetResponse is another excellent marketing automation system that includes a variety of unique premium features such as a landing page maker and a webinar tool. They also claim to be one of the simplest email newsletter solutions accessible, and they provide a slew of extras such as free iStock photo images and an iOS and Android app for sending campaigns on the go. But would we go so far as to say they're better than MailChimp? What distinguishes GetResponse from MailChimp? Email marketing automation is quite strong, allowing you to, among other things, trigger sale conditions, A/B tests, and removal circumstances. Subscribers can be simply moved between lists. You'll love the interface's 25 languages if you work on a multinational team. If you wish to create webinars, you won't be able to do it with many platforms other than GetResponse. GetResponse's conversion funnel tool simplifies the creation of sales funnels. More information about their sales funnel software may be found here. A nice feature is their multimedia section, which allows you to browse stock photographs and produce QR codes, among other things. MooseEnd. MooseEnd is another MailChimp alternative. They drew our attention because of their low prices and large assortment of responsive email layouts and smart segmentation. They also have outstanding marketing automation features. All emails are ad-free, and their subscription plans are reasonably priced, at $64 per month for 10,000 subscribers. They are much less expensive than MailChimp. Advanced segmentation, landing pages, and a well-designed visual automation builder exist.